Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the pinnacle of extravagance in the world of sports. Welcome back, Opulence King, where we unveil the jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, and wallet-busting wonders that redefine opulence. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of athletic grandeur as we present to you the top 10 most expensive stadiums in the world. Are you prepared to be dazzled? Let's dive in. Embarking on our lavish adventure at the illustrious number 10 spot, we unveil the enchanting Singapore National Stadium. Tucked away in the heart of Kallang, Singapore, this architectural marvel boasts a jaw-dropping price tag of a whopping $1.31 billion. Prepare to be spellbound by the grandeur of the world's largest dome. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill stadium. It's a journey into the extraordinary. Its retractable roof, like something out of the futuristic dream, effortlessly morphs into a mesmerizing projector screen, turning every event into a spectacle of technological wonder and opulence. But wait, there's more. The views from within are unparalleled. As the radiant sunlight filters through the stadium's translucent roof, it bathes the arena in a mystical glow, weaving a tapestry of pure enchantment. The Singapore National Stadium is where luxury, technology, and magic converge to create an unforgettable experience. Get ready to be blown away by the awe-inspiring number 9 on our list. Behold the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, a £1.33 billion masterpiece that has been London's crowning glory since its grand debut in 2019. This stadium is a true spectacle, captivating the hearts of soccer fanatics and architectural aficionados alike. Imagine a field that can magically transform, a canvas where dreams come to life. It's not just any stadium. It's the world's inaugural retractable and dividing field, a groundbreaking innovation that brings soccer and NFL together under one majestic roof. The ingenious engineering behind this marvel ensures a seamless transition between sports, making it an arena that effortlessly grooves to the rhythm of both soccer and American football. The Tottenham Hotspur Stadium is more than just a sports venue. It's a breathtaking fusion of art, technology, and sportsmanship that promises an unforgettable experience for all who enter its gates. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for an extravagant touchdown at the magnificent number 8. Feast your eyes on the colossal marvel that is the ATTN Stadium in Arlington, Texas. A jaw-dropping $1.48 billion architectural masterpiece that unveiled its grandeur in 2009, serving as the majestic sanctuary of the Dallas Cowboys. This behemoth of a stadium can comfortably host 80,000 enthusiastic fans, with the ability to expand its embrace to over 100,000 for those truly monumental events. But hold your hats, folks, because here's a jaw-dropping tidbit. This colossal stadium once cradled a staggering 108,000 fans during an electrifying basketball game. That's right, the ATT Stadium isn't just an arena. It's a playground of records, a testament to Texan extravagance, and the epitome of everything grandiose. Welcome to the ultimate experience in opulence. Are you enjoying our video? Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to show your support. Remember to also hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on our next videos. Tied at the illustrious number 4, we unveil a dynamic duo that reimagines the very essence of sports luxury. First in line, we have the majestic UBS Arena. Ushers in a new era of crystal-clear sightlines, where every play and every goal is visible with breathtaking precision, a frigid, awe-inspiring beauty. It sprawls across the western expanse of Long Island, beckoning hockey aficionados into a realm of unparalleled opulence. Brace yourselves for the sublime extravagance of UBS Arena. In our thrilling tie, we unveil another gem of grandeur, the magnificent Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Calling Atlanta, Georgia, its proud home. This sparkling jewel, a treasure trove of architectural wonder, boasts a price tag of $1.5 billion and burst into the spotlight in 2017. But wait, what's that captivating spectacle in the sky? It's not a bird, it's not a plane. It's none other than an awe-inspiring stainless steel falcon, perched majestically atop a colossal 13-foot-tall football. This iconic sculpture unfurls its wings to a breathtaking wingspan of an astonishing 70 feet. It stands as a resplendent tribute to audacity and ambition, forever reminding us that at Mercedes-Benz Stadium, the sky is the limit when it comes to pushing the boundaries of architectural marvels. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be swept off your feet by the regal soccer spectacle. Behold the iconic Wembley Stadium, a majestic coliseum nestled in the heart of London, England. A glittering jewel that came to life at a staggering cost of $1.5 billion, throwing open its gates to the world in the grand year of 2007. But this isn't just any stadium. It's a hallowed ground where sporting legends are born and epic tales are written. From the historic FA Cup final to the pulsating NFL London games, and even the thrilling final bouts of boxing champions, Wembley Stadium stands as a living, breathing testament to the unrivaled glory of sport. Get ready to be swept up in the majesty of Wembley. Get ready to have your baseball dreams come true at the illustrious number 4 spot. Step into the iconic Yankee Stadium, located in the heart of the city that never sleeps, New York. This $1.5 billion gem has been standing tall and proud since 2009, welcoming fans from all corners of the globe. This hallowed ground pays homage to the legends of baseball while ushering in modern comfort and convenience. Yankee Stadium's wide seats, extended legroom, and hallowed Monument Park, which stands as a shrine to the game's rich history, all add to the opulent experience. It's a venue that seamlessly blends the timeless traditions of the sport with the promise of an exciting future. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through the baseball annals of Yankee Stadium. What do you think of our list so far? Which of these stadiums would you like to visit? What event would you like to witness happen in that stadium? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we ascend to the prestigious top 3, we arrive at the spectacular MetLife Stadium. Situated in the vibrant East Rutherford, New Jersey, this $1.7 billion masterpiece, a symphony of sport, graced the world with its grandeur in the splendid year of 2010. But what truly sets MetLife Stadium apart is its heart and soul. It's not just a venue. It's a hallowed ground where locker rooms cease to be mere spaces and become homes for champions, where the shortest distance between fans and the electrifying action guarantees an unparalleled scene of proximity. MetLife Stadium, in all its opulence, transforms into an arena that surges with intense emotions, turning every sporting event into an unforgettable experience for fans and athletes alike. Buckle up and brace yourselves for a cosmic adventure at number 2 spot. Introducing the mesmerizing Allegiant Stadium. Located in the dazzling paradise of Nevada, a $1.9 billion wonderland where football dreams come alive, dazzling the world when it springs to life in the remarkable year of 2020. But hold on to your helmets, because Allegiant Stadium isn't just a venue, it's an odyssey. Standing tall at an awe-inspiring 85 feet, the stadium's torch pierces the heavens, paying homage to a storied past. The renowned silver and black color scheme radiates interstellar vibes, setting the stage where the Raiders come to shine, making every game a celestial spectacle. Get ready to embark on a football journey like no other at the Allegiant Stadium. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the grand crescendo, the piece de resistance. Prepare to be utterly dazzled by the pinnacle of opulence, the extraordinary Sophie Stadium, nestled in Inglewood, California. A jaw-dropping, eye-popping, and wallet-opening $5.5 billion masterpiece that unveiled its majesty to the world in the remarkable year 2020. But hold on to your hats, because Sophie Stadium isn't merely a stadium. It's an empire of entertainment that will leave you utterly breathless. With a YouTube theater, a dazzling venue that hosts 6,000 enthusiasts, and the NFL Network headquarters, a towering testament to its grandeur. Sophie Stadium stands as an opulent kingdom where the worlds of sports and luxury seamlessly converge. Get ready to be immersed in a realm of unrivaled extravagance at Sophie Stadium, where dreams come true and the extraordinary is simply the norm. There you have it, the grandeur of opulence in the world of sports. From Singapore to California, which of these monumental stadiums would you give anything to experience firsthand? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we've got more opulent wonders coming your way. Until next time, stay luxurious, sports enthusiasts.